Hello, good evening. This is the voice of Gracie, your smartphone productivity coach, and tonight we're going to we're creating a graphic using the Adobe Spark Post. If you wish, you can call it the Adobe, 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 whatever it is. Just as long as the name is complete and we know what you're talking about, we can fly right from there. Okay, so this is the interface when it opens up. Okay, at the lower part of the screen I have the template, so this we're in the template mode right now. You have all of this. Then the second is my post. So this is that some of the things I've done using this app. Okay, then for the template you have featured, you have the premium, you have to pay for those ones. You have the animation. These are short clips. Okay. You have the collage. You have seasonal, lifestyle, business. Is it business? Is it school? Travel, food, and all of that. So depending on the category you're looking for, you create your own. You create your design, and if you want to create if you want to create your own design, you want to create from scratch, why not? Then you just pick up a design and edit to your taste. Okay, so let's get started. So let's pick up something. I just want to do something very simple for us. Something very, very simple. Yes, and you have to put in mind, you have to have in mind what audience am I communicating my graphics to, and what media am I using, what social media platform am I using. Because if you're using a social media platform, if you're using an Instagram platform, for instance, you're not meant to use a long flyer like this. You can't use this for Instagram. Okay, you can't use this for Instagram. This best suits Facebook. You can't use this for Instagram. It's a flyer, but you can always use this for Instagram. Can you see? You can always use this for Instagram. And then for your Twitter, okay, you can use this and all of that. So depends on what you are out for. Okay. So like I said, I just want us to do something very quick and simple. I don't want to complicate issues. I don't do something very long and boring. Okay, so I'm actually on the outlook for a flyer. Okay, maybe we should just use this. Okay, so if you like the color, if this is looking like the color you have in mind, if it's not looking like the color you have in mind, if it is close to what you want, you just click on it. Then you click on remix this template. Okay, remix this template, and when it opens up, you start to edit. Okay, just try to make sure that you have a good connection. So you start to edit. Okay, so you click on it, click on whatever it is, and you begin to work on them. So since I have something that is tagged already, I can always choose to do any of the following options that is down at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so the first is edit, the second is order, third is adjust, the fourth is color and opacity. Okay, so edit. So how do I want to edit? Do I like the picture? Why not? If I don't, I can always replace it. Click on replace on the screen. Click on replace on the screen. So it takes me to the store. So I can always replace with anything I want. Okay, I'm actually in need of an oval shape, so perhaps I could just go for this. Okay, can you see? You just go for this, and the other here. The other is best suits the position of your object. Okay, leave it at 4. Best suits position of your object. So for my edit, do I want this particular object that I just inserted? Do I want to delete it? That's the next option. You can delete. The third option there is duplicate. If I click on duplicate, of course it's going to duplicate. So I have 3. Okay, or do I want to select multiple? Perhaps I don't select just one thing. I want to select a whole lot of things. Okay, I can only select multiple, perhaps to delete and all of that, but that's not what I want to do. But so the next is info. Okay, you need info about that particular object. This object was created by so and so on so day and all of that. So that's what's here. All right. Well, very soon I really do hope that we'll become professionals at this, so we can also upload our pictures. Actually, these are works that persons like me and you that have gone through formal training, informal training on designs. Okay, these templates are what persons like us, like I mentioned earlier, created, and they are paid by this site for creating these templates. Okay, they are paid in dollars for creating the template. So this is a stage I want us to attain with time and consistency. When you are consistent with what you're doing and when you are good at what you do, you get paid by the site for designing for them. So we have so many sites, okay, that you can let me not digress. Let's just focus on this. So you can always adjust the site, the size, the side, right? Rather, the size. Sorry, please. Okay, you can choose to go up or down. All you just need to do is hold down the cursor, and bring it down or take it up. Whatever you want to do with that. Okay, then if it's a text, perhaps you want to type, you click on the text. Okay, you click on the text and click on edit here. Click edit. So what do you want? Do you want to leave that COVID-19? I think so. The appearance is looking like COVID already, so I'll leave that COVID, and then let's edit this. What you know, safety precautions. Okay, can you see what I just typed? So you can always adjust, drag to adjust. Okay, can always adjust. Okay, so um if you need to add something to the text that you've highlighted, if you need to add an image, if you need to add whatever it is that you want to do, you can always have that here. Okay, for instance, I this is a picture. What I just clicked on, a picture. Okay, I clicked on the lower part of this screen where you have visithealth.com. Let me remove the visit health so you can see what I'm saying very well. Okay, so I just clicked on that particular shape. So if I don't want to use it, perhaps I want something else. I double click on it, okay, and I have pictures come up. Okay, so I can always choose what I want. Maybe perhaps something, maybe my that particular topic doesn't resonate with what I'm trying to talk about. Why not? You can always edit. And here, this site, they have lovely pictures. All you just need to do is you search. This is for tranquil. Okay, perhaps you want something on COVID. Okay, want something on COVID. Can you see pictures on that already coming up? Okay, so what do we even choose? Okay, I just want to replace that particular video. So that particular picture. It's not as if I'm looking for a particular thing in particular, a very serious thing in particular. Okay, so I'll just choose a very simple theme. It's actually at the lower part of the screen, so it's not as if I need something serious. So I'm just using this medium to show you. Can you see? This is the picture. Okay, this is the picture, and this is how it ought to be. Okay. And you can always leave your contact. Please don't forget to always leave your contact on your flyers or any design. Make sure to always leave your contact. How would people get to you? How would they get to know that you're the one that came up with the design? Always leave your contact information. Okay. Okay, and you can always change your color. That's the next thing that is here. You can always change your color. You want it to be black, you want it to be white, you want it to be ash, whatever it is, whatever color that you want. Okay. There is this particular okay, I don't think I can really change this because it's an image. Okay, it's an image, so I don't really have much this in, but I can always add one of the things. If I don't like the image because it's an image, I can always delete it and put in another image. And you can also always rotate whatever image that you put in. Can you see this arrow that is going round? You hold it down to rotate, so you can always rotate your work. Okay, it doesn't have to just follow a particular pattern. You can always rotate your work. Then please watch out for the colors. Please, we shouldn't use more than 3 colors in any design, not more than 3. If you look at this is very, very simple. Look at the colors used. They have we have this dark ash, we have yellow and white. These are just the 3 colors. Any other thing would just be a distraction. Okay, so if you don't like the background, you can always change it. Okay, you can always change the background. You can always replace. Can you see? I just clicked on replace and it's taking me to where to their image bank. So if I just pick up something, can you see? I just picked up an image right now, and this is what came up. But of course, I don't like the image. Okay, I don't like the image, so I can always delete it. But instead of just trying to want to go, I'll just go back, undo. Look at the topmost of the screen. You see 2 arrows facing the left and the right. So you click on the one facing the left to go back. Can you see? So it's very, very simple. So this thing, please, I just want you guys to be very, very creative. There's really nothing so difficult here. All you just need to do is to be creative. You have all the options here. you have color, you have, do you want to put animation on it? What do you want to appear? I think this is one of the reasons why the Adobe Spark post is a bit different from um every other apps on graphics. Okay, it has this inbuilt animation that you can actually put on. Okay, so these are animations that you want. So let's look out for one. Let's look out for one. Okay, so can you see? So automatically this is going to turn your this thing into a GIF. This is going to turn your work into a GIF. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so you can get to select how your work, how your text coming, how your text coming. I'm selecting another. Can you see? Can you see? Yeah. When you're done, click on done. And another thing is you can resize. I love this. I love this part too. You can resize if you feel if you've done a flyer and you now want to post on Instagram. Why not? If I click on Instagram now, to give me a different size. Can you see? The only difference is just the arrangement. So all I just need to do is I'll just come back, rearrange them. Where they were. Simple. Okay, just rearrange them and keep where they were before. Can you see? I just created one for Instagram. So if I'm not satisfied, I want for Facebook. Can you see for Facebook? For Pinterest, for your YouTube, for your LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever it is. Okay, is it card ZA4 you want to go and print out? Is it whatever it is? Facebook, your cover, Twitter profile. Is it your phone? You want to create a digital board, for instance. Now for your phone, you want a font size. You have one square, whatever it is. I love this app for this. Okay, then of course you have the layout. How do you want your text to appear? Okay, how do you want your design rather to appear? Can you see? Do you want them to come in this way? Okay, that's a banner format. What format is this? Okay, this is more like a grid format. Okay, can you see? So this just simplifies your work. It just arranges the same thing in different ways. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, so it depends on what you want to do. Depends on what you want to do. It just helps you to just arrange your work. So if you're not comfortable with anyone, you can always edit and change. Okay, so that's all about Adobe. Then before we leave, you might need to remove the watermark. Okay, so if you need to remove the watermark, can you see Adobe Spark under? So you might need to remove the watermark. So all you just need to do is click on the watermark. You click on that Adobe right down at the topmost part of the screen, and this comes up. Okay, so what you do here is either you subscribe. When you subscribe, then you can enjoy a free package, or you can remove for free. So remove logo on this object. Click on remove logo on this object, the one below. Okay, so can you see there's no more watermark again on it? Can you see there's no more watermark on this? So if you feel you're cool with this arrangement, I'm not really cool with this arrangement, but just I'm making use of this just for the purpose of this class. Okay, and this is more like a GIF already because I added animation. How the text were going to appear. Remember, so it has automatically changed it. So it's no longer like a normal graphic design now. It's now more like a GIF because an animation has been added to it. Okay, so when you're done, then you click on download. look up at the topmost part of your screen. Yeah. You see the arrow that is facing down. That's to download. You click on it. So do you want it as an image or you want it as a video? Remember that because of the animation that we actually put in, so that's why we're having this option actually. So if you want it as, I think I want it as a video, so I just click on video. Okay, so automatically I have this downloaded on my device. Simple, right? I have this downloaded on my device. Okay, so with this you can you have access already, but if you want it as an image, why not? You can always have it as an image automatically to be saved. Okay, because I'm not subscribed to Adobe, so I can't download the video. I have to subscribe first to download the video. Okay, yeah, so that's that on Adobe Spark posts. Any question, please drop them on the right there in the class group. Enjoy. See you later. I want you to duplicate what you've learned. Do something unique. Just create something. It could be about your brand. It could be what you want to do. Create with Spark Post. I really enjoy Spark Post. You would actually gain mastery not just creating with this only. You would gain mastery when you continue to create more. When you're consistent with creating more flyers, more designs all the time. Okay. All right. Bye for now. Sign out.